Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video, I will show you how to fix cannot receive calls in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, turn off do not disturb. Open setting, scroll down, click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb. Now here you will see turn off now. And if you want to turn off do not disturb, that click on turn off now. After click on turn off now, do not disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset mobile network setting and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, reinsert SIM card. This is how you can fix cannot receive calls in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.